what's up you guys? It's me, Queen Vanessa, back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to get a skin in single player on cracked Minecraft. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get a skin. So a famous website for skins is the minecraftskins.com, which I'll be linking down below in the description. So you can choose a skin that you like. For example, you like this skin. So what you're gonna do is click on it, wait for it to load, and you're just gonna download it. But I'm not gonna download this because I already have a skin. So after you download that, you should open the folder where it should be, and I have this skin, which is my normal skin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on my desktop, so that's easier. You're gonna copy it and then you're gonna paste it so that you can have two. The first one, you're gonna rename it to Alex. And then the second one, you should rename it to Steve. So after you've done that, quick thing, you need to have WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, I'll have it down below so that you can download it. Next thing you're gonna do is you're either gonna type in the search bar app data, %, and then you're gonna click Minecraft. But since for me this is different because I used to have an older Minecraft launcher, which was this one, and now I have a new one which is located in a different file. So I'm just gonna open this from here. So after you open the roaming and then the Minecraft, you're gonna be presented with this. Then you're gonna go to version and you're gonna pick which version you'd want to change your skin in. So for example, we're gonna change it in 1.12.2. So what you're gonna do is get the jar and you're gonna right click and open with WinRAR. It's important that you have WinRAR because if you don't, then you might not do this. Then you're gonna click on Assets, Minecraft, and then you're gonna click on Textures, and then click on Entity. So once you do that, you're gonna select the Alex one, the very first PNG file, and you're gonna have to delete it. Don't worry because this will not cause any difference, because as long as you have a new skin to replace it, it'll be okay. So you're just gonna delete that, and then you're gonna go at the bottom and then you're gonna select Steve, which is right below the squid PNG, and you're gonna select it and delete it. So we already have the Alex and Steve PNG on our desktop, which should be easily transferred. So if we click this, okay, we open this, you're gonna select these two and put them in here. You're gonna select OK. So they should be in there. If you check it, if you want to open it, it should be that skin type. And then when you go to Minecraft, which let us open that, it's 1.12.2. You're gonna enter the game, and yeah. Okay guys, so if you did all the things I told you to do correctly, then you should be able to go in your world, and from your regular Alex or Steve skin, you should be transformed to the new skin that you have downloaded and used. So if we can see here, it's lagging a little bit, if you look at this girl, this is the skin that I chose. And if you did all the things, all the steps correctly, you should also be able to get this result. So, yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped. Subscribe if it helped, and like this video, and comment down below what I should do next, because I'm clearly running out of ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.